This might be one of the most interesting AI experiments I've ever done. Today, I'm going to try something a bit crazy. I'm going to use AI to build a complete game from scratch. Not just a simple demo, but a real system with logic, mechanics, and actual gameplay. But here's the main question. What is the real problem with AI coding? Most of the time, the issue isn't that AI is weak. The problem is that you have to manage everything. Which model to use, what to write, what the next step is. And in the end, you realize most of your time went into thinking, not building. That's exactly why I want to test Verdent. Let's see if it can actually change this workflow or not. Right now, I'm inside Verdent AI, and before jumping straight into coding, I enter the idea, a game similar to Candy Crush with a match 3 system, scoring, and multiple levels. And instantly, instead of just getting code, I receive a full plan, with explanations, steps, and even diagrams to understand everything better. That means from the very beginning, the path is clear. Now, instead of overthinking, I just click Build. Verdent starts creating the core systems. The important part is that this isn't just one model working. Multiple powerful models are making decisions together, so I don't have to choose which one is better anymore. I take the code into Unity and start building the game. The first part is the match 3 system. After some initial setup, I run the game. I can move items, and when 3 are aligned, they disappear and give points. Now we move to the visual side. Using AI, I generate icons and game elements and import them. Then I add scoring and level progression systems. Gradually, the system starts to feel like a real game. Moves are registered, scores increase, and the gameplay becomes fully tangible. This is where one of the most important features comes in: next action. Instead of thinking about what to do next, Verdent suggests it automatically. For example, adding level difficulty or move limits, along with a precise plan for implementation. That means you just execute, not guess. I add the code and run the game again. Now the system feels more complete. Moves are limited, the challenge increases, and it feels much closer to a real Candy Crush experience. This is where the difference becomes clear. This is not just code generation, it's full project guidance. After that, I start refining the details. I add explosion effects, improve the item removal animations, and even add some basic sound design. Each step builds naturally on top of the previous one. No confusion, no wrong direction. Finally, we do a full playthrough of the game. You move items, create combinations, earn points, and complete levels. A complete gameplay loop built in just a few hours. Not just a demo, but a real system. And this is exactly where the difference is felt. My final opinion? The biggest difference with Verdent is not the code quality, it's the way it thinks. You no longer have to deal with choosing models or writing prompts, or constantly figuring out the next step. That entire layer is removed. AI coding here becomes a natural flow. Instead of typing faster, you're working without friction. And for the first time, it feels like you're working with a system that actually understands the process. If AI coding has ever felt frustrating to you, this experience might be different. If you want to try it yourself, I've put the link in the description. And if you want me to expand this project further, or even build a more complete game, let me know in the comments, because this is just the beginning.